judge me. My bed isn't made. I just woke up. That raw footage when I wake up. So I woke up like I'm be recording on my GoPro Hero 7 Black, but it's gonna look a little bit different. Right now I'm recording on my Canon G7X Mark II. I'm gonna try my best not to make this video freaking long like all the other ones and probably split it up. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm here for a few days and I'm gonna try to put all that into a freaking video. Have not already, click it. It's right there. It's in big bold red letters. It says subscribe. It's like right there underneath the video, so make sure you guys subscribe. I'm getting ready to get dressed so I can start my day in Dubai. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my view from the 47th floor. Check this out. Like you can see your ground. Look retarded. Alright, so I finished getting dressed and it's like 600 degrees out here. Sure you bring some shades with you when you come to Dubai and then head down to the train station. So as always, hopefully I don't get lost. Y'all know plans change and I end up places I don't need to be. Let's get this day started, shall we?
It's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broken, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around through the city in my new bitch.